hold it. Bisa lebih cepat masih ulangi. Let's go. One and roll. One and roll. If you confused, it's okay. Just use your head. Don't worry. Just enjoy. Hit it. Motion. Lean back. Hips. Brace your core and lean back. Elbow to your hips. Open your chest. Come to me. Roll your hips. 4, 3, 2, and back. Do it again. Roll, roll. One posture. Pemanasan. Kita manasi dulu badannya. With 3 count track. Yang pertama ini dalam maju maju dulu depan. Inhale. Exhale. Down. Guys, step side to side. So open your feet wide. Set wide with your shoulder. So because this is the times, I need you to moving your core like this. Kalau bisa dulu, boleh stay teman aja. It's okay to just stay. If you right, left, isolate your neck. Dari sini kepalanya ke bawah. Jump and up. Jump and up. Boleh diputar nggak kepalanya? Let's go, putar.
I love asking people when is the last time they did something for the first time. Because when you do things for the first time, you know that you're living life to the full. So today, for the first time, I visit Palembang, and for the first time, I'm going to try core motion. So tomorrow, if you ask me when's the last time I did something for the first time, I've got a really good answer. I know I'm going to have a great time and trying something new.
Mr. David itu pertama kali ke Palembang. Dan juga pertama kali ikut kelas core motion. Dan menurut Bapak David, untuk mencoba semuanya sesuatu untuk pertama kalinya itu bisa gimana ya, bikin kita lebih hidup gitu. Jadi